Hey everyone, DC here, and I'm excited to show you my TTRPG actual play production steps project made in Notion. This is the first in a series of videos to guide you through how to use this for production of actual plays. Let's dive in. Once you've duplicated this project to your own Notion, you'll be presented with this main menu. To see the steps in each phase of the production process, click the triangle next to each word. These are called toggle lists in Notion, so just click and you can see each step in the pre-production, production, and post-production phases. If you want an overview of the entire thing, click there, and to hide it all, just click the triangles again. If you would like to go through these steps using the side view in Notion, they will start with the pre-production checklist and task board, and end with the post-production checklist and task board. This menu also looks pretty great on mobile. Instructions are provided in each phase, along with links to the appropriate video. In the next video, we'll be diving into the steps of pre-production. See you then.